Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'll guide you through the process of using your PC as a mobile hotspot. If it's your first time using the hotspot, you may need to configure the network name and password. The operating system I'm using is Windows 10, so in order to configure your network name and password, click on the Wi-Fi symbol from the right hand corner of your taskbar. Now left click on hotspot option and go to setting. Here we can see our Wi-Fi name and password. So in order to configure it again, click on edit, choose a meaningful network name, whichever you like, select or type a password which you want to choose. Now click save. Now your hotspot connection is configured. So in order to turn on your Wi-Fi hotspot, click on this Wi-Fi symbol and click on hotspot option. Now your hotspot is live and will start showing on your other devices like your laptop or your smartphone or any other device. Thank you for watching this video.